Throughout history, humanity has been driven by an insatiable curiosity. We have always sought answers to the mysteries of the universe, peering into the unknown with a mix of wonder and determination. Yet, for every question we solve, new ones emerge. Questions so profound, so perplexing, that even our brightest minds can only speculate. Today, let's embark on a journey through some of the biggest questions that no one, not even the world's greatest scientists and philosophers, can answer. These are the mysteries that continue to inspire awe and fuel our quest for understanding. Let's begin with a question as old as time itself. Why does the universe exist? It's a question that underpins all others, a puzzle at the very heart of reality. The universe is vast, filled with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. But why is there something rather than nothing? Why did the universe come into being at all? Some theories suggest that the universe emerged from a quantum fluctuation, a random blip in a sea of nothingness. Others propose that our universe is just one of many in a vast multiverse, each with its own laws and properties. Yet, even if these theories are true, they only push the question back a step. Why do the laws of physics exist in the first place? Why does anything exist at all? Despite millennia of philosophical debate and scientific inquiry, the ultimate origin of existence remains shrouded in mystery. Next, consider the question of consciousness. What is it that makes us aware? How does the brain, a collection of cells and electrical signals, give rise to the rich tapestry of thoughts, emotions, and experiences that define our inner lives? Scientists can map the brain, identify regions responsible for language, memory, and sensation. But the essence of consciousness, the subjective feeling of being alive, eludes explanation. Is consciousness an emergent property of complex computation, or is it something more fundamental, woven into the fabric of the universe itself? Could artificial intelligence ever truly be conscious, or is there something uniquely special about biological minds? Until we can answer these questions, the nature of consciousness will remain one of the deepest enigmas of existence. Another profound mystery is the fate of the universe. We know that the universe is expanding, and recent observations suggest that this expansion is accelerating, driven by a mysterious force known as dark energy. But what does the future hold? Will the universe expand forever, growing colder and emptier as galaxies drift apart? Or could some unknown force eventually halt and reverse the expansion, leading to a cosmic collapse? Alternatively, could the universe experience a sudden transformation, a big rip, where the fabric of space itself is torn apart? The ultimate destiny of the cosmos is written in equations we have yet to fully understand, and the answer may forever lie beyond our reach. Let's turn now to the question of life beyond Earth. Are we alone in the universe? With billions of planets orbiting distant stars, it seems statistically likely that life must exist elsewhere. Yet, despite decades of searching, we have found no definitive evidence of extraterrestrial life. This is the essence of the Fermi paradox. If life is common, why haven't we detected any signs of it? Perhaps intelligent civilizations are rare, or maybe they are simply too far away. It's possible that advanced beings choose not to communicate, or that they exist in forms we cannot recognize. Until we make contact, the question of whether we are alone will continue to haunt our imaginations. Another question that defies easy answers is the nature of time. We experience time as a continuous flow, moving inexorably from past to present to future. But is time a fundamental property of the universe, or merely a human construct? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is woven together with space, forming a four-dimensional fabric that can bend and stretch. In the quantum realm, time behaves even more strangely, with particles existing in superpositions of states and events, unfolding in ways that defy classical logic. Could time itself have a beginning or an end? Is it possible to travel through time, or is the arrow of time fixed forever? The true nature of time remains one of the most tantalizing mysteries in physics. We might also ask, what is dark matter? For decades, astronomers have observed that galaxies spin faster than their visible matter can account for, and that clusters of galaxies are held together by more gravity than we can see. The solution, it seems, is that most of the matter in the universe is invisible, dark matter, which neither emits nor absorbs light. But what is it made of? Despite countless experiments, we have yet to detect a single particle of dark matter directly. Is it composed of exotic particles, or is our understanding of gravity incomplete? The answer could revolutionize our understanding of the universe, but for now, dark matter remains a ghostly presence, unseen and unexplained. Then there is the question of infinity. Is the universe infinite, or does it have an edge? If it is infinite, what does that really mean? Can anything truly be infinite, or is infinity just a convenient mathematical abstraction? And if the universe is finite, what lies beyond its boundaries? These questions challenge not only our scientific models, but also our very ability to comprehend the cosmos. Finally, let's return to ourselves and ask, what is the purpose of life? Is there any meaning to our existence, or are we simply the product of random chance in an indifferent universe? Different cultures, religions, and philosophies offer their own answers, but no single explanation has ever satisfied everyone. Perhaps the answer is not something to be discovered, but something we create for ourselves through our actions, our relationships, and our quest for knowledge. These are just a few of the questions that no one knows the answers to. They remind us that, despite all our progress, there is still so much left to explore. The unknown is not something to fear, but something to embrace, a source of inspiration and wonder. For it is in asking questions and in seeking answers that we continue to grow, both as individuals and as a species. So, stay curious, keep questioning, and remember, sometimes the journey is more important than the destination.